In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Webflow editor. First, let's begin our journey by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable with. Now in the address bar, type in webflow.com and press Enter. This will take you to the Webflow homepage. When you arrive at the Webflow homepage, you'll see the option to log in, usually located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on this button to be directed to the Webflow login page. Here, you'll enter the email address and password associated with your Webflow account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there is a handy Forgot Password link that you can click on to guide you through resetting it. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button and you'll be welcomed into your Webflow dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your command center, where all your Webflow projects are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to edit. Once you've found it, go to the website's live URL. Now, to enter the editor for a specific site, you'll need to modify the URL slightly. At the end of the URL, append Edit. For example, if your website's URL is yourwebsite.com, you'll change it to yourwebsite.com. Edit. Press Enter, and this action will direct you to the Webflow editor login screen if you aren't already logged in. If the above steps don't work, or you prefer another route, there's an alternative method. Simply input your Webflow account details, your email and password, in the fields provided on this screen, and click the Login button to enter the editor. Sometimes, you might already be working within the Webflow designer. If that's the case, navigating to the editor is a simple task. Look to the top left corner of the Webflow interface. Clicking this area allows you to toggle seamlessly between the designer and the editor view. It's a handy feature when you're actively designing and want to switch to content editing mode. Once you're in the Webflow editor, the power to edit content is at your fingertips. Hover over any element on your page, and you'll see a pencil icon appear. Clicking this icon enables you to make changes directly to the text or images. As a bonus, your edits are automatically saved, so there's no need to worry about losing your hard work. When you're satisfied with the changes, you can choose to publish them, making your edits live on your site in moments. That's it. You've now learned how to log into the Webflow editor and make your necessary edits. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.